In this video, I'll show you how to add poll to Instagram post. It's going to be a step-by-step video, so ensure you watch through all. I'm going to show you. This video is for educational purpose only. Open your Instagram, click on this plus icon, click on post, select what you want to post. So I'm going to use this one of my videos. Click on next. Click on next. So you're going to see the poll option, so click on it. So you can come on and ask a question. How are you? Come on here, fine. Second option, good. Click on OK. So this is the poll. I've added a post. So what you need to do, if you click on the share now, you're going to be able to share this your post, this your Instagram post, and this post is going to come with a poll. So I'm going to click on it. Okay, right now this is my post. This is my post currently. So if you click on this, you're going to see that this Instagram post comes with a poll. So this is how I can do this. If you found this video helpful, share it as below in the comment section. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next.